This is my 2005 Sony Handycam Hi8 video camera. Let's see what the model is. It is a CCD-TRV138. Of course, it uses the American NTSC color system. This one was one of the ones that was only equipped with mono sound and a analog AV output. Model above this was stereo and had a digital program that you could plug the DV cable into and like edit it on a computer. It's got some damage to it. That's from a friend dropping it, but inconsequentially that wasn't what caused it to stop working. This just means the viewfinder was like hanging by the printed cable thing they have on there. It's a real shame too. The battery is like, I just charged it and it's practically like holding a brand new charge. The thing that's wrong with this is, as the chronic problem with the gear drive that these Hi8 Handycams all have, and Sony refuses to fix for an acceptable price. Gee knows. It's 2006. Uses the Hi8 videotapes, and again it can record. Also, it looked great. It's a real shame it stopped working. It's got a black and white viewfinder too. Probably can't see that. It's not the best picture, but then of course you got the little flip out LCD thing. This one, I'll just show you like this. This has a, I almost said shoot yourself, but videotape yourself feature. Probably can't see that. When you get to about midway, see, there I am. That's my shirt. It'll flip the picture. Hey. It's got 990 time zoom, optical zoom, with a digital assist. It's got the typical easy feature that all Sony cameras have. It's got the light. Also has night vision, which I turn off the LED light. There it is. The infrared, which was awesome. Sneaking up on people in the dark and stuff. This camera went all the way to France. Caused all kinds of havoc there, videotaped it all. It's saying insert cassette. I'll see a view of the buttons here too before I forget. This thing has all kinds of features. I always liked using the manual exposure because it allowed you to control how bright or dark the picture was. It also has all the easy dubbing features and stuff. The title, let's see what's on the title just for kicks. Oh, that was an old movie I was working on. It also has auto program titles, which is cool. Allows you to change the color of them, size, position. This thing was amazing. I still wish this worked, or they even made cameras like this anymore. I'll show you what the gear drive problem is. Got your Maxell XR metal 120 minute Hi8 tape. Okay, go into playback edit mode. I'm probably going to forget something. Recognizes it is a Hi8 tape. Recording in SP mode. Hit play. I'm going to register a C3123 error, which is the gear drive. Well, anyway, that's a little brief video of my old Sony Handycam Hi8 video camera, which I used for the longest time. And I put some like goofy videos from years ago up, but I can't because it won't play back tapes. I love this camera, that was awesome.